This is particularly important for electric vehicles. Drivers perceive noises more intensely in quiet electric cars than in their combustion counterparts. On his annual 2,000-kilometer test drives, Sam helps with the perfect sound composition of all the noises that occur in a vehicle. He thus ensures the characteristic electric Porsche sound. Acoustic analysis is essential for product noise optimization. It is also important for quality assurance, as acoustic analysis can be used to localize anomalies in vehicles. For example, if a car has made unusual noises during an audit, it is often the most efficient way to identify the cause of the anomalies. This is how Sam and his colleagues play an important part in ensuring that customers receive a perfect, flawless Porsche.